Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show about how to install software in a client via GPO, or how to deploy software uh, in a client via group policy object. So currently software of .msi is able to deploy via GPO, or you can install software of .msi file, Microsoft installer, in via GPO. So currently I have a folder of Office 2007, and I want to share this folder amongst the client, so that client uh, able to access this folder with the read contribution. I will give a read contributor tag to all my users. So let me show you one thing is about the .msi. So how do the .msi be? Right click, properties. Okay, so this is .msi. So one more format is there, .zip, but .msi is more easy. So I want to give a read permission to all my clients. So /dc1/office 2007 with the path, the link, the network link. It goes to administrative tools, group policy management, and GPO. Let me create one. So for example, I want to name it as soft GPO. Okay, now the test OU. So test user, for example, test user 1, test user 2, I want to link this GPO with the test OU. So test users will get this software to install. And I want to right click, edit the functionality, the policy. Now either you select configure configuration or user configuration. So let me go to configure configuration policies, and you will get this software setting at computer configurations. Also I'm just selecting user configuration, and only one option is there, software installation, new package. Now it asking me the path, so people might give the local path like C drive and Windows, or a folder's name or folder's path, but this is not a right way, this is not a correct way. You have to give the shared folder path, otherwise error comes in the user's uh, whenever client tries to access that share install the installer file. So I just give a network path /dc1 and the Office 2007, the Word folder. Let me show you once again the dc1 Office 2007, the Word. Here we go, /dc1/office 2007, Word 2007, and MVI file. So the whole path. Now the deploy software, currently we have 3 options. One is published. Published means it only allow user, it only show user that this software is available to install, but user have their rights to either install or not. Assigned, whenever user log off or whatever, log on to the client, then if we set this assigned thing, and if we set user for a log on, then whenever user get log on, the software automatically get installed if the software is not present. So I'm currently wants to publish the software, so user have a rights to either install or not. Whenever they require, they can install. I just wants to uh, on air this software. So the software we will available, not many options are there in the advanced. I just wants to publish or nothing to do more. So once again I have to add that, give a path, and I just wants to publish. So user have a rights either to install whenever they require or not. So it took some time. Okay, we got it. So what we need to do, the policy has been set, the particular software has been set, and the user, which is test user 1 and test user 2, will be allowed to install the software. So I'm just closing this page. Updating the policy. That user just needs to log off. Once again, log on to the system. Control panel, you find the option programs and get program option. So you find this the software is available to install, and you can install, but currently I don't want to install because I have to do lot many options on, I have to choose, I have to make, so I'm just canceling that. But if the software having no dependency, they will be easily be able to install .msi. Okay, so currently I just wants to remove that because I actually have other plans to do. So that's the reason I'm stopping myself right now. I just removing, right click, and you have auto install option assigned. The publish option is already selected. Assign is not there. Just goes to all tasks, or just remove, and here is the two option. It's saying immediately install the software from users and computers, or allow users to continue to use the software but prevent new installation. Sometime dependency upon the license, because once we purchase some license and if contract get expired, then we either have a mutual understanding with the developer, so we uninstall the software straight away, or we let old user to use that software. So it's up to you totally. So I'm going to GPO update space / policy once again. Here also, to make changes very quickly, I just want to say GPO update space / force. Otherwise I have to do a log off log on thing, because that get get programs, get programs. So there we go, no more software is available to install. So this is what it's all about. It just published the file, installer file, and user have all rights to either decline or accept the installation. So in the next video we will explore more about the software